Hey, it's Rachel Michelle. Thank you for tuning into this video. I know it's been quite some time since I filmed. I've been meaning to get this video up for you guys. This is going to be one of my most favorite sketchbook tours that I'm going to share with all of you. So comment down below what you liked, maybe tips on how I can improve. I'd appreciate it, or just to say that you like something. Let's get into the tour. I'm really excited to show you what I created. I'm gonna try not to move the table so much because then the camera like wobbles. So I'm trying to be like ever so gently. Love what the cover says. Imagination is more important than knowledge by Albert Einstein. So here is my first page. This sketchbook was started February 24th of 2019, this year. And this is what you can see throughout the entire sketchbook. Sorry about the freaking camera moving. Welcome to the madness. Enjoy. There's my Instagram handle. That's where you can find all of my work that I do post. A lot of this though, I did not take pictures and post, so you're getting the inside scoop. It's lots of colors. With this sketchbook, I decided to play around with watercolors, so you'll be seeing a lot of that through the sketchbook. These are some quick reference sketches. I follow a YouTube channel called Croquis Cafe, and they have models that pose and they switch it up every minute, every 2 minutes. So it was really cool to practice and get a handle on the human body and human anatomy. That way you have more of an idea of where body parts go, the proportions, things like that. I gotta say, it's kind of nice to go through this. I haven't gone through this in about 2 months, so seeing everything that I created kind of makes my heart all warm and fuzzy on the inside. Here's some watercolor techniques that I was practicing. This kind of reminds me of an Easter egg or maybe a dragon egg. Speaking of dragon eggs, did any of you guys see the season finale to Game of Thrones? I didn't really watch it like that, like keep up with it, but my partner did. So, you know, I'd watch it with, and I kind of got into it. I did not like the ending, as did a lot of people, as they were just not happy. Here's some more reference poses. Looking at these, like when I would see these before, I really didn't like them, and now looking at them, I'm like, wow, that's progress. I decided to go over it with liner too, just so that it can pop, because before it was just straight pencil and it was hard to see. So me doing that was a great idea because it actually shows up on camera very well. I love the way I did her hair. Hair for me is something that I struggle with, and the way that I did this character's hair, I just love it so much. I'm gonna have to study the way I did this and try to just recreate it, because lately hair has not been my strong suit. Love her, definitely. This was her whole mood was, or should I say, her whole vibe was definitely a mood for me on that day. Just embrace the natural short hair. You're popping. I love how I did this posture. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but just everything about this I love. I kind of gave up down here at the legs, as you can see, but like the way her body was turned at an angle, her face, her hands, everything looks so good. The hair, I need to use references more. Here is a mermaid that I drew with a reference to Ariana Grande's Fake Smile. She looks like Ariel, doesn't she? I kind of definitely did play off of Ariel. I gave her shorter hair though. Speaking of Disney movies, Aladdin's coming out and I'm so excited. That was one of my favorite childhood Disney movies. You are making progress. Even if you don't think you're making progress, you are. Don't be so hard on yourself. One of my favorite quotes. Old ways won't open new doors. This girl was also a mood on this day. I don't know what it was. I was just definitely feeling some type of way. She's a baddie. I Can Be Needy, another Ariana Grande reference. That album was a work of art. You are exactly where you need to be. just in case you forgot. Now this was an entry that I was trying to do to Lucid Nima. She's on here on YouTube. She's also on Instagram as well. I wanted to enter one of her contests, and for some reason I just like gave up. This was going to be an entry as well. Then I retried, try to do it again, and nothing. Here was a third one. That was the third attempt, and I liked it, but I never got to coloring it in. And that was the third entry. Again, I never submitted any of these, which I wish I would have. She's also one of my favorites. Your value does not lie in how your body looks. And it did not look like this originally with the color. Originally, it was just this drawing. And I decided to give it some color, and I'm glad I did because it brought it to life. Color my world, a theme in this sketchbook. I really like that eye. I did this eye first. I was like, ooh, I like that. And then I did it again. I was like, that's bomb. Continuous line. IG baddie, feeling herself. Me, but not the hair, but me, if that makes sense. Here's some more poses. And I decided to color block, that way the poses will stand out more. If not, they would look like this. I didn't do it to every single one. I wanted some variety. Ooh. She's definitely a mood. Little acorn buddy. He's so cute. Roxy. These thumbnails are the cutest. I don't know what was going on there, but it's cute. She reminds me of a Saw character in a cute way. Another baddie. I don't know what the heck this is. Wow. Some of these I have not seen literally, and like I forgot what was in here. I need to start practicing again. Because lately I've been trying digital sketch, but I think I'm always gonna come back to traditional art. It's just something about it. Ooh, I really like this. Practice different hairstyles. Me, literally me, except the hair. Aww. This was when I first bought my cactus and my snake plant. My cactus name is Mr. Thornberry and my snake plant is Omega. Which Omega actually grew some babies. I was kind of worried that he wasn't growing and I was killing him. So I moved him from my room downstairs to a window with more light. And he is growing so lovely. Ooh. See? Croquis Cafe. You can check their hashtags out on Instagram or check them out here on YouTube if you're an artist and you want to get better at body anatomy. Ooh, I can't talk. Body anatomy and your proportions. That will definitely help. Because these, I love these. She cute or whatever. Grow through what you go through. This watercolor painting, I didn't really like how that turned out. It was better in pencil or line art. Now you know my zodiac sign, Virgo. Keep pushing. I really like her. In the beginning, I was not feeling it. Like, she kind of looks muddy in some areas, but I kind of like her still. I don't know why. Oh man, Cameron. She was my first watercolor character that I created, and I love her. This is Cameron, and she's from sunny California. And this baddie over here, I didn't give her a name. Why don't you guys comment down below what I should name her? This was created in March. That's my partner. We went to Vegas for his birthday in December, so she reminds me of Betty Boop. I look at her hair and I think Betty Boo, and it's so cute. This is the stage where my hair's at now. It doesn't quite curl, but there's like a little wave to it. It has to grow some more before it curls out. Any of my like OG subscribers, you'll remember when I had like this big ass fro of beautiful curls. Yeah, I shaved it off and now I'm trying to grow it back. Oh my god, she's a whole mood. She's a whole mood too, except she's a butterface, which makes me upset. But I guess everyone's beautiful in their own ways, right? Always be kind. I don't know what's going on here. Create for you. Every page doesn't need to be a masterpiece. It's okay if you make crap. Don't be so hard on yourself. You are making progress. That goes for every artist in the world. Oh man, R.I.P. Nipsey. These are some cute cactuses that I try to do in watercolor, and I actually like the way they turned out. Purpose fuels passion, just in case you didn't know. The end. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. Comment down below what you liked or disliked about this. If you have any constructive criticism, leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload, because clearly I'm all over the place and I'm working on getting into the swing of things. So bear with me. I'm a work in progress, but I'm gonna get there. And again, I just want to continue to inspire any artist or any creative out there that you got to keep pushing. You're gonna have days where you don't feel like it, just push through it anyways, and at the end you're gonna turn out a beautiful masterpiece. So with that being said, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye y'all.